Welcome to Future Click Academy. In this video, we'll learn about input devices of a computer. You'll understand what input devices are, why they are used, and learn about devices like the keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, joystick, barcode reader, OCR, OMR, MICR, and biometric scanner with easy examples. An input device is any machine that feeds data into a computer. 1. Keyboard. The computer keyboard is the basic device through which you input information into the system. Using the keyboard is easy because most of them have the QWERTY typewriter setup. In addition to the typing keys, the keyboard also has a numeric keypad through which you can input numbers. It has control keys like home, page up, page down, insert, delete, end, control, alternate, alt, and escape, ESC, that let you carry out these simple tasks with just one click. 2. Mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device for computers, involving a small object fitted with one or more buttons and shaped to sit naturally under the hand. The underside of the mouse houses a device that detects the mouse's motion relative to the flat surface on which it sits. The mouse's 2D motion is typically translated into the motion of a cursor on the display. 3. Trackball. This is basically a mouse lying on its back. To move the pointer, you rotate the ball with your thumb, your fingers, or the palm of your hand. There are usually 1 to 3 buttons next to the ball, which you use just like mouse buttons. 4. Joystick. This is a computer input device especially helpful when playing computer games. It consists of a handle that can be pointed in different directions. Because the computer can sense which direction the joystick is pointed, it can be used to control the movements of objects displayed on the computer screen. 5. Scanner. A scanner is an external device used to record data onto the computer. The data can include photographs, book pages, and other images already on a piece of paper. The scanner is like a copy machine, but instead of printing the item on a piece of paper, the digital image gets placed on the computer screen. Items are scanned, transmitted from the scanner to the computer. 6. Microphone. Next up is the microphone, the primary input device for capturing sound. Whether you are jumping on a gaming stream, recording a podcast, or using voice commands, the microphone takes the physical sound waves from your voice and translates them into digital audio data that your computer can process, save, or broadcast. 7. Webcam. Webcam, the go-to input device for capturing real-time visual data. Whether you are calling into a business meeting, streaming your favorite game, or hanging out with friends, a webcam captures light through its lens and converts it into a digital video stream that your computer can transmit across the internet instantly. 8. Light pen. Now let's look at a fascinating piece of tech history, the light pen. Long before modern touchscreens, the light pen allowed users to point, draw, and interact directly with the computer screen. It works by detecting the burst of light from a CRT monitor's electron beam when pointed at the display, telling the computer exactly where the user is touching. 9. Touchscreen. Next up is the touchscreen, a device that completely changed how we interact with technology. Unlike a mouse or keyboard, a touchscreen is both an input and an output device. It allows you to interact directly with what you see by using your fingers or a stylus, translating physical taps, swipes, and pinches into instant commands for the computer. 10. Barcode reader. Now let's look at the barcode reader, an essential input device in supermarkets and warehouses. Instead of manually typing in product numbers, this device uses a light beam to scan the printed black and white parallel lines. It instantly decodes that pattern into numbers and letters, sending the product information straight to the computer system in a fraction of a second. 11. OCR, optical character reader. Have you ever wanted to copy and paste text right out of a physical book or a printed receipt? That's exactly what an optical character reader, or OCR, does. It acts as an input system that scans physical documents, recognizes the shapes of letters and numbers, and turns them into actual, editable digital text that you can search or modify on your computer. 12. OMR, optical mark reader. If you've ever filled out a multiple choice exam by shading in circles with a number 2 pencil, you've used an OMR system. An optical mark reader is a high-speed input device designed specifically to detect the presence or absence of a mark on a piece of paper. Instead of reading letters or barcodes, it just looks for dark spots in specific boxes, making it incredibly fast at grading thousands of tests in minutes. 13. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Next up is MICR, which stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. This is a highly specialized input device used almost exclusively by banks to process paper checks. If you look at the bottom of a check, you'll see routing and account numbers printed in a strange, blocky font. An MICR reader magnetizes the special iron oxide ink used to print those numbers, reading the unique magnetic profile of each character to process transactions with absolute accuracy. 14. Biometric Scanner. Finally, let's talk about biometric scanners, the input devices that turn you into the password. Instead of typing in a PIN or carrying a physical key, a biometric scanner captures your unique biological traits, like your fingerprint, your face shape, or even your iris pattern. It converts these physical features into a secure digital code to instantly verify your identity and grant access.